Hi, it's Karina and welcome to Literacy Lunch. On today's lunch, we are going to talk about how to find your child's reading level. This is really important because if your child is reading a book that is too difficult, they might get really frustrated and lose interest. If your child is reading a book that's too easy, they might get really bored and also lose interest. So I like to use this little trick called the 5-finger rule. And this is how it works. You are going to have your child pick out a book and turn to any random page in the book. You're going to have your child read the page out loud to you. They can use a reading tracker, or they can point with their fingers, or they can just read the page. You are going to make a fist like this, and every time your child gets to a word that they do not know, you are going to hold up a finger. I like to keep this fist behind my back so that the child can't see that I'm doing this. If you get to 5 fingers, the book is too difficult. If you get to 0 to 1 fingers, the book is too easy. If your child reads the entire page and you're holding up 2 to 3 fingers, that's perfect. That's the right fit, and that is your child's reading level. Now, I like to use some discretion when I'm holding up my fingers. I never count proper nouns, for example, names of cities, states, names of people. Sometimes words are in foreign languages, so I don't count those. Also, if a child makes reversals in their letters, for example, they might read the word dad instead of bad, I don't count that as an error either. So now that you know your child's reading level, you're going to want to get a big stack of books at their reading level, and you're going to want to keep them in a basket or in a bin and put this in your child's room, because this is going to be your child's reading selection when they have independent reading time. And I recommend 30 minutes a day of independent reading time. This is so important. The more your child reads and practices and rereads through these books, the better their reading fluency and their reading comprehension skills will get. So if you like this video today, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next Literacy Lunch.